The letter B. This is a capital B. This is a lowercase b. You know how the B looks. Now let's make the letter B sound. B, 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 b. Yes!